Starting with a heavy hitter is the ability to insert item numbers into drawing text. This new functionality enables dynamic updates to text that are linked to the parts list, as well as to balloons and notes within drawings, ensuring that your documentation remains consistent and accurate throughout your design process. A key component of this update is the addition of a new property type named Parts List Properties within the Format Text dialog. This means that when you're annotating drawings, you now have the ability to reference values directly from the parts list associated within the drawing. Inventor now supports background fill colors for dimensions in 2D drawings, providing a way to mask the area behind the dimension text for enhanced readability. This feature, which can be toggled on or off within the Dimensions edit box, addresses the challenges faced when working with shaded views that limit the visibility of dimensions over complex backgrounds. This one is a much needed update to the parts list style, with new sorting options, including auto sort on update. Users can now directly adjust sorting preferences and the auto update feature within their drawing styles. We've updated the revision table style to include an option for setting default revision index settings. Now, you can specify whether the revision index should follow an alpha or numeric format by default. You're now able to hide extension lines of diameter and radius dimensions, enhancing clarity of your drawings. The option to hide extension lines and show all extension lines have been added to the context menu.